When you are learning a new programming language, you will need a lot of help. Of course, I'll try to explain most of the aspects of Visual Basic, but I will not be able to cover everything. There is a lot of things that you may have to know to complete your task. So this video is about how to get help in Visual Basic. This is our Visual Studio, and from here you can go to Help and click on View Help. This will take you to the online help of Visual Studio provided by Microsoft. Most of the help will be online and it will open up in your default browser, just like this. Here you will be able to find the help for Visual Studio. From here, go to Visual Basic and Visual C#, and then from here go to Visual Basic. So in this way you'll be able to get all the help you want. Let's say you want to know about a specific thing. Let's say you want to know about this private. So you double click on that or select the word and then press F1 from your keyboard. This will take you to the portion of this particular word or phrase or statement that you want to get help on. You scroll down and you will find remarks, other statements like this, and it will also suggest you some of the relevant things that you may want to look to. So this is the way to get help in Visual Studio about Visual Basic. From here, let's go to Add and Remove Help Content. This will open up a window like this. Whenever the internet connection is not there, you will not get the help because, as I mentioned earlier, all the help is online. But if you want the help to be offline in your computer, you can do that. Come to this Add and Remove Content. Here is the list of all the help content. Select whichever you want to, click on Add, and then from here click on Update. This will download the help content and you will be able to access the help offline. By default, it is set that whenever you ask for help and press F1, it will take you to the online library. But if you want to change that default preference, go to Help and select Set Help Preference. From here, you can select either to launch in a browser or to use in Help Viewer. So this way, you'll be able to change between an online help or offline help, and you'll get your help and all the guide that you need to learn Visual Basic very handy.